Welcome to the InnoQuotients Clients area. In this video, we will show you the participation section. This section is really useful through the opening time to participate in the InnoQuotient survey. Here you will be able to follow in real time the impact of the survey invitation and the following reminders you send to the invitees. It is of utmost importance that you understand that reaching 5% maximum margin of error is a requirement. Such margin of error provides the statistic validity of your results, ensuring that they can be extrapolated to the whole organization. Keeping in mind that your improvement plans will be based on the results, you may realize the relevance of making a proper follow-up of the participation. Let's see how this section operates. We see the first level of information about global participation. It will always be shown on the screen. We're talking about this chart and this recommendation. The chart shows us the participation completed already and the participation to reach, which is the most important during the survey process. Also, it shows us the days elapsed. This is the example of a completed survey. We observe that 100% of the survey days have elapsed. The right box highlights your target of participation to reach the adequate margin of error, which is 5%. The number of participants is calculated with the 95% level of confidence statistic formula. We take the total headcount of the organization or of the business unit, and this is the number in the headline. For further details of the survey process, you can follow up the participation by dates, departments, or categories. Let's see it by date. Here you will find a chart that shows us the daily and the accumulated participation, and you can see the same information in tables. Either by departments or categories, the follow-up will help us to check and encourage the participation required. Keep in mind that the participation is anonymous, so the reminder notices should be addressed to the appropriate department or category, instead of to the whole organization. Both in departments or categories, you will find a chart that shows the level of participation reached and the margin of error of each department. Also, you will see the table with the same information ordered as you require. The same thing applies to categories. As I said, this level of global information is always visible. To further support you, InnoQuotient will send you a daily email with information about the level of progress of the global participation. It also invites you to consult the online participation with your user credentials. Remember that the signals in the headline will show you the number of notices of interest for you. The color marks the relevance of each one. This is everything related to the participation section. If you want to learn more, visit our InnoQuotient channel in YouTube. Thank you so much for your attention.